Everyone is talking about AI, but most of what you are seeing is noise, hype threads, tool lists, videos that promise to change your life and leave you no better off than when you started. This channel is different, and in the next few minutes, I want to tell you exactly what we are building here and why it might be the most useful thing you watch this year. Here is what I kept seeing. Courses that teach you AI theory without ever showing you how to actually use it at work. Tool tutorials that walk you through features without ever showing you how to build a real workflow. Content built for Silicon Valley that completely ignores the reality of professionals working in Lagos, Nairobi, Accra, and everywhere in between. I wanted something different, something that treated AI as a practical skill, not a buzzword, not a trend, something built for the global workforce with African professionals at the center. So I built the AI Playbook. The AI Playbook is a practical AI education series running every week, built around one simple idea. You learn by building, not by watching. Every session, we take one real AI concept, one real tool, one real workflow, and we break it down step by step until you can use it yourself. Today, not someday, no, we cover things like how to build AI workflows that actually save you time at work, how to use large language models without getting burned by hallucinations, how to automate tasks you are doing manually right now, how to think about AI as a practitioner, not just a user. And we do all of this with real examples, real tools, and real context, built for professionals who do not have the luxury of 6 months and a PhD to figure this out. If you are a developer trying to understand how to build real applications with AI, this is for you. If you are a business professional who keeps hearing we need to integrate AI and has no idea where to start, this is for you. If you are an entrepreneur, a manager, student, or anyone who wants to use AI at a level that most people have not yet reached, this is for you. You do not need to be a machine learning engineer. You do not need to already know Python. You just need to be willing to show up and build something. My name is Noah Olatoye. I am the founder of Instinct Hub, a platform that has trained over 5,000 learners across Africa and beyond in tech and design skills. I am also a digital transformation consultant. I work with organizations to help them apply technology in ways that actually move the business forward. I am not here to sell you AI hype. I have seen the hype. I have also seen what happens when people and organizations learn to use AI with real discipline and real structure. The difference is significant, and that is what the AI Playbook is here to close. Every week on this channel, you'll get a full AI Playbook session, a structured step-by-step walkthrough of one AI concept, tool, or workflow, short-form breakdowns, quick focused lessons you can apply in under 10 minutes, real case studies showing how AI is being used in professional contexts that matter to you. And everything we publish here is backed by a full community, a place where you can ask questions, share what you are building, and learn alongside practitioners who are doing the same work. If this sounds like what you have been looking for, here is what to do next. Subscribe to this channel. Every week there is a new session. Missing it means missing the work. Then join the AI Playbook community. The link is in the description below. That is where the real conversations happen, where you can bring your questions, share your projects, and connect with practitioners who are building with AI right now. The community is free to join, and it is where everything begins. We are building something serious here, and I want you to be part of it. Click the link, join the community. Let us get to work. The AI Playbook, practical AI education for the global workforce.